Adohia wa bedane etu adohia o edo ni ru wa ke edo ni rishi wa bogwe wa bava wa bota zadewe na ge kai bile bo ni da do ge wa bokia o awere na do wo edo ado wo e bu uyo salobwa ya yo wa ya ma do wa ma do de ma egbe ya ma ewina wa nwuna de ma de gbe na wa ya afmo salobwa wa bokin o oge ari mu josa na ya sunwe o sanera ke wo mo ke wo ni no wa onya ma sadu bu ama we say not here that woman said there. Manedo, my best cocoon, my way everyone, Ununi Maze, a Donuma. The Balao, the Bama Yemi, Naya Woy, the Mamma Muguto, Naya Woy, Maria with that woman. That woman making up for it with Gualayi, and Jesus Christi, who is Aleboa, he said, Yahweh, he said, oh, he said, I will, Nakao, Regadio. Ahia yewe uwe na reu edonaze no edonaze ituwa ya wetin ya fe lo ere yan bu o abuso abokian etusa abokian adoge abokian enoma abokian o esunde abokian o waya ni wa ni lo wa ye han etutaba wa moku na tie wo bagbe o mame ni mauna age mauna age izao no pobe edonaze izao no pobe edonaze nebo che command na yata mama we no we yeso ma o akpopo be edonaze edegbegbe abi mo ni mabie kebe ikunari yowa kebe jafe ai oyo na zao temeni na kamia weni awe gege o wakpo e ma no gbale do ya fe rin do wo yo e mo ya wati more ti bore ni do wo na do ta ni ada ho we are dealing with common imperatives in the Edo language, common imperative clauses in the Edo language. Imperative clauses, that means those clauses of command that will tell people, stand up, sit down, come here, go. Those are clauses of command. They're imperative. That's what we're learning now. Tell your children to come and sit down and learn. So that when you tell them, Tota, they will know what you are saying. When you tell them, Ade, they know what you are saying. Please come. Common imperative, common commands in the Edo language. Okay, we're ready now. Are you ready? All right. Watch it. Look up. Give me. How do you say it in the Edo language? Give me. There. So father or mother can tell your child, give me. Take. In the Edo language, you say mie. Take. Mie. Okay? You tell your child, take. Mie. Very simple. All right. Get up. Now sit it down. Get up. Bagbe. Get up. Bagbe. Very easy. Sit down. Tota. Tell your children that one. They like it. Tota. The older one will tell the younger one, Tota. Tota. Sit down. Tota. Okay, these are simple ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me. Hear me? Give me. Hear me? Take. Mie. Take. Get up. Bagbe. Get up. Bagbe don't get on Tota. Bagbe. Get up. Now, sit down. Tota. You tell your child, Tota, you know what they're saying. Tota va. Sit down there. Tota va. Nena my way now. I call you if you maybe money okay. How do you do? Get ready. In the morning, you tell your child to get ready for school, right? Get ready. Mwegbe. Mwegbe. Get dressed. Mwegbe. Get ready. Mwegbe. Hold on. Mudia. Mudiane. Hold on. Mudiane. Mudiane. When they're in a hurry to do this, do that, they say, hold on. In a door, you said, tell the person, Mudiane. Mudiane. Hold on. For a while. You're too much in a hurry. Hold on. Mudiane. Mudiane. All right. Now, if you continue to do what you say you should hold on to, continue, then you say, stop! Stop! Mudia! Mudia! Stop! Mudia! If somebody is driving a car and you have to say, stop. Say, Mudia! If it's going on and on, say, Mudia! Oh! Mudia! 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 Oh! Stop, 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 oh, stop, stop. Mudia, oh, stop. Mudia, oh, stop, stop, stop. See, this is very easy for children to learn. And other people who don't know Edo, this is good to learn. Stop, Mudia. Okay? The first one is get ready. Get ready to go to school or go to cook or come to eat. Get ready. Mudia, mwegbe. 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 Get ready. Mwegbe. Hold on. Somebody is in a hurry. Tell the person to hold on. Say, Mudiane. Mudiane. We have not started yet. Mudiane. Am I Mudiane? Mudiane. Hold on. And when he's going on and on and on, and he says, stop. Say, Mudia. Mudia. Stop. Stop. Our children, they need to learn this. And other people who don't speak Edo, you need to learn this. Stop. Mudia. Okay. Okay. The last one. We have 4 here. 4 here. You command somebody to run. Run. Roulette. Roulette. Hold on, roulette. Oh, roulette. Roulette, get. Run quickly. Roulette. Roulette. Okay. Then when you want to stop him, say, don't run. When you come up with the child in the house and the child is running around, say, don't run. Don't run because vehicles are flying around. Don't run. Get roulette. Get roulette. Get roulette. It's a command. Don't run. Get roulette. Then you tell children, eyes open. Eyes open. If they are closing their eyes, tell them, eyes open. Krawa. Krao. Krawa. Krao. Eyes open. Then you say, eyes closed. Eyes closed. Mimiao. Mimiao. Eyes closed. Mimiao. When you want to pray, you see children, they are looking here and there. You say, eyes closed. You want to pray, right? Mimiao. Close your eyes. Mimiao. Mimiao. Close your eyes. Mimiao. Eyes closed. Mimiao. Mimiao. Ao is eyes. Okay? So 3 things, 4 things here. Run. Roulette. You tell your child to go get something for you from the parlor. Say, run. Roulette. Roulette. Say, don't run. Sometimes they are running too fast. You say, don't run. Get roulette. Get roulette. Feko. Literally, hey. Gently. Don't run. Get roulette. Get roulette. Eyes open. Krao. Rao, eyes open. Eyes closed. Me meow. Me meow. Eyes closed. Close your eyes. Me meow. These are daily imperatives that we speak in the Edo language. Okay? All right. Give me. Hear me? Give me. Hear me? Take. Take. Me. Me. Get up. Get up. Bagbe. Get up. Bagbe. Bagbe. Sit down. Sit down. Total. 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 And your child will obey you. Simple commands in Edo language. Then he is preparing to go to school. He said, get ready, get ready. Mwegbe, mwegbe, get ready, dress up. Mwegbe. Every morning, tell your child, mwegbe. Hold on. When he's getting too fast, say, hold on. Mundiane, mundiane, mundiane. Hold on. And when he doesn't hear you, you see going on and on, he says, stop. Mudia. Mudia, stop. Mudia. And your child will stop. Not so? Yes. Okay. And then when he gets out of the house, he's trying to run. He say, run. Roulette. If he's too slow, run. Roulette. And when he's too fast, he say, don't run. Get roulette. Get roulette. Because we want the child to be gentle. Don't run, because you might run into bicycle or anything. Get roulette. Walk gently. Get roulette. Eyes open. Rao, Rao. You can also add Rao. Rao. Eyes open. Rao. Eyes closed. Close your eyes. Me meow. Me meow. Me ayo. Me meow. Okay. I hope we get these lessons very clear. These are things we can teach our children, teach our neighbors, teach our wives or husbands who don't speak Edo. They are very easy to catch because these are everyday commands. Everyday commands. And last week and the other week, I find that many people came to our program. A high number of people came to our program to learn Edo. That's why we did it today again. Just to help people learn simple things in Edo language. I thank you all of you who have been here. I thank you for your attention and for your attendance. God bless you. Let's take it and run away with it. Let's take it and go tell other people about it. Take it and show to other people to come and access this video and learn simple Edo commands. Share it alone, share it with other people, and give a handshake of it. Handshake, yes, hand thump that you like this. Yes. What time ya fe ni abi do ga o. Na ebi ma ya awe. Ebi ma ya awe. We na be Jesuku. For boy ma ya fe o. Thank you all for being here today. My brethren, I mentioned your name. Ozigbo, Constance, Busama, Etiosa, and Usunde, Inoma, Adogi, Etiosa again, Constance, Wawesi, you are me. You know why in Rowa, why hang out of Wasun about Wabi Wabi Tota, why Yema in our Nibi Mavi Awe. If you man in that do, Wabi Awe, West was dead to watch you. If you man in that way, Wabi Awe. Avec bon yoto ni ao avec ao o ye boni ao no me kira ama o de wa gba o de wa ma o de wa fun o de ise edo ro wa e bon le gi ama ya mi o avec aji an yesuku ni be nwa na we ni aga we nwina we ni aga we nwina ihu na bu na we ibe wo we ya gwa suku ibe wo we ya gwa po wa ibe wo we ya gwa ye eri ra wa uguga ebi di edo we ga we abi abiele ba ya abiele ba bi edo we na abiele ototo e ma buyo ma buyo abi yima wa ge ga si gbe bo o abi fi ma wa ya si bo we ni bi edo wa buyo abiele ba bi e mo bi agbo ya fe ya abiele ke bi edo we abiele ke ofu gbe ma mi o ise ma buyo ise sabo de ba ma o ge do wa ma o edo ere yi mi ma wo ere isi ma wo di eke oda ma lage afian bo sare bo do wa si magbe ma me ya we wo po zo wa gbon na eni Jesu Christ ise oba wa e no re do wa ito pe be kete eri ga ma wa ga ma o ye pe on do ki oba ilo boy fo ise oba ato pe e do ise o baba do o wi ye do o we ten ya do oge na we pen iri oke ke no aye na wo ya me ke na are oyi wa mi o ogo wa mi o wa we baba do wi ya do bye bye.